Nautical Aisya, the battle on COVID-19. Coronavirus is caused by infection with the severe acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus 2 or SARS-CoV-2. This disease is mainly transmitted via respiratory route when people inhale droplets and particles that infected people release as they breathe, talk, cough, and sneeze. In response to these current COVID-19 outbreaks, this guidance will help you to minimize your risk of exposure while on board the Nautical Aisya. Common signs and symptoms: fever more than 38 degrees Celsius, dry cough, difficulty of breathing, sore throat, loss of smell and or taste. Symptoms may appear up to 14 days after exposure. If you may feel any of the following symptoms, please immediately report it to the medic on board. Things that need to do: wear face mask, do hand hygiene, practice social distancing, always disinfect and sanitize. Wear face mask. All personnel on board is mandated to wear face masks at all times. If personnel is coming from outstation, face masks must be removed and changed for a new one before entering the accommodation. Body washing outside the accommodation, including coverall, is strictly implemented for outstation personnel who has the interaction with other co-workers in the platform which is not staying in Nautical Aisya. Do hand hygiene. Proper hand washing is one of the best ways to protect yourself and others. Hand sanitation is also encouraged to every personnel on board. You may find hand sanitizers all over the vessel, like gym room, smoking room, mess room, and even in offices. Practice social distancing. Social distancing and seating arrangement is applied in all common areas on board. Minimizing interaction with crew and passengers is strictly followed. If you see someone who did not abide these measures, do not hesitate to call their attentions. Always disinfect and sanitize. Sanitation of doorknobs and handrails is done regularly. Rigorous cleaning regimes are also implemented on board by our cabin stewards. If you have an issue in your room, do not hesitate to approach campus by dialing 139 using the vessel's intercom. Daily temperature check. Routine temperature checking for crew was carried out on board for proper monitoring of their states of health. All personnel who got 37.6 degrees Celsius and above will be isolated immediately and thoroughly examined. Our isolation facility was located in the clinic or sick bay. New arrival passenger must hand sanitize, temperature check, fill up login details and health declaration forms. Suspected COVID-19 passengers drill. Recently, our vessel conducted drills on how to deal and manage with suspected COVID-19 passengers. Our crew are trained from thorough screening, wearing PPEs, isolations, communications, up to medical evacuation. Health news. You may visit our health news bulletin board located on main deck, clinic, and mess room for some updates and guidelines for your hygiene and safety. Do not hesitate to approach your medic on board for more information. Here in Nautical Aisya, we are ready to win the battle on COVID-19.